Good evening, everyone. The cleanup will continue this weekend in several communities after 4 tornadoes touched down across western New York this week as part of a record-breaking weather day in New York State.
And several fundraisers have been created for families in hard-hit areas who lost nearly everything. News 4's Trina Kenderson spoke with one of those families today and joins us with more. Trina.
Dave and Kelsey, piles of debris are stacked high in the front lawn of this home in Eden. The neighborhood took a direct hit as a tornado tore through the area on Wednesday. Now a family is trying to pick up the pieces of their home that was built over 40 years ago.
God bless us, we're alive, but everything we own is, at least in this building, is gone.
Those are the words of Edward Blaze, a resident in the town of Eden. He built this home from the ground up back in 1974. He didn't want to be shown on camera, but he recalled the moment the tornado ripped through the area, leaving his house in shambles.
I saw a wall of water, the heaviest rain I've ever seen, and I've been in the monsoons. Heaviest rain I've ever seen, and debris of all kinds coming down. I said, let's go right now.
That's when Blaze and his wife made the decision to take cover in the basement. But that moment quickly turned into another nightmare.
I got to the bottom, turned around, and my wife wasn't there. She had gone back for the dog. I screamed her name, turned around, started running up the stairs, and I heard this horrific noise. It couldn't have lasted 5 seconds, just a whoosh.
After that noise stopped, Blaze opened the door to find his wife standing there, frozen. He looked up and saw sunlight shining through. His roof was gone. Blaze tells us help arrived almost immediately.
Within an hour, there were 50 people here helping us carry stuff out of the house because they knew the rain was impending. They helped us carry it out of the house. I carried it in this building, but this building it's relatively clean now, but it was a small tornado happened in here.
Blaze is a Vietnam War veteran and a member of the East Eden Fire Department. He tells us since the tornado on Wednesday, so many community members have come to his and his family's rescue. A GoFundMe has been created to benefit both Edward and his wife. The family says the money will go towards helping them rebuild and replace some of what was lost that day.
From the big company owners to the people who drive by, it's just been great.
And a local business is also trying to help families pick up the pieces. This Saturday, Razor's Dog House in Eden will be offering free ice cream all day long. The business is asking that you consider making a donation to the families in need. The owner and his wife will also be matching that number and giving it to those affected in the community. In the studio, I'm Trina Kenderson, News 4.